at takutan. First umpire, Raymond Rebuyav. Second umpire, Mr. Floribit, EKE Sergeant Balansag. Tapos na top. Naniyaga ang Albats. Kulansoy. Naniyaga. Number 5 sa below era number 8. Kulansoy. Number 14, Abin Nido. That's by Tudong. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 8. Atong shot clock down to 6 seconds to shoot. Number 8 to number 3, 5 seconds to shoot. And the last touch by Lansoy. 9 minutes 36, Constant Yela. Dojong number 6 is slowly the ball to Iceman. Alpats, Limbaga. Number 1, Mursap. Ayun ang bola, kuha ni Niaga. Niaga to Dominic. Number 8 to Casili. To Dominic. Lansoy. Lansoy to Casili. Using the glass. 2 points. Casili. The lead, number 6. Iceman, Silainan, Rakto Dodong, Adalid, Alpats. 8 minutes and 55. Same ball, 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds shot clock. Ostenila, in bound. Angay Lesion, 10 seconds to shoot. Larry bound Alpats. Wow! 2 points, number 1, Alpats. Walis Dos. Abilido. Hector. On number 5. And an out. A rebound. Iceman. That's the lead. Dodong. And the last touch by number 14. Same ball. Remaining time. Otsu by Indi Otso. Lenin bound. Our boys. Alpats almost still. Rebound by Alpats. 13 both nice shot. A rebound. Casili. Nagpagaw. Pagaw. Pagaw na Elysion. Alpats number 1. Attack. Lisama shot. Rebound Costanilla. There's a whistle. Number 14, pushing foul. Abinido, first personal foul. First team foul, AKG. Adalid. Covered by number 6. Angay shot. Wala rin. Covered by Adalid at Costanilla. Top of the key. Wala. Rebound. Lansoy. Number 24 to number 8 to number 14 lays up 2 points. Abin Lido. This 4. 7 minutes 40. Adalid. Number 6 to number 24 Costanilla. Attack. La power rebound by Niaga. Number 5 to number 14 Casili. Number 3, rest by Costanilla, Dominic. Lansoy, 10 seconds to shoot. Turnaround shot by Niaga. Number 5 score. Dos size. 7 minutes 8. Adalid. But dribble to. Akto Adalid, number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Iceman from the corner. Rebound. Kalinong bola, Adalid. It's a turnover. Size 51. Dos size score, dos size. Dominic. The bawang size. Lansoy. Abinido from the corner. Short. Rebound. Alpats number 1. Dojong Adalid. Ito Constanila. Wala. Nagaw. Pasa ni Casilio. Substitution ref. Size 29. Luis Dudong Adalin waktu Akamosa Aismanto Akamosa Adalin sell by Abu Nido. Number 14 lays up, good for 2. Abu Nido. Oibes, the muscle man. Number 29, Ula, rebound. Aselman. A double dribble. 5 minutes, 58. Dominic Lansoy. Niaga attack using the glass, 2 points. Number 5 Niaga, dos G's at the score, dos G's. 5 minutes, 38. Angay pasal is out by Marcelman. 4 G's. Dominic. Number 8, the captain. Keeper the Semet, Niaga number 5. Aras by Dol, Lansoy, mid-range 2 points, Lansoy. Number 24. Adali Dudong. Ato Dudong, Iceman, Masalman. Oy, natapon ang sabaw, turnover. Sila'y nan, oras, 5 minutes and 5 seconds. 4-12, skoro 4-12. Hello, Era. Number 8. Is slowly dribble, calling for a play. Hello, Era. Casile. 10 seconds to shoot. Abinido. Number 14, shot, the rebound, Marcelman. Oibets, Akamosa. Number 19 to number 6, Adali Dodong. Akto Akamosa. Shoot, the rebound. Lamia pagkapasa, good for 2. Silainan, number 15. 4 minutes, 25. Nice, Dusi. Villaera. Niaga. Number 5, number 7. There's a whistle. A foul. Number 6. Legal use of hand. Adalida. I'm out, charge to EKG. First personal foul, Adalid Dodong, number 6. Oras ato, 4 minutes 12. Score, size 12. Oh, mga bata, mga bata.
Mga bata pa doon, ang nagagaling.
Back to the ball game between RNR Boys, My Home against EKG. Remaining time 4 minutes and 12. No free throws awarded to Niaga. Ernesto, basket. Tornato, Ice, Tracy. Second draw, ready to rebound. And Niaga. A 2-4-2 from the 15-point line, Niaga. Size 14, score. Dudong, Adeline. Akamusa, back to Adeline. Maselman ay kasamang basket. A foul. Number 3. Holding foul. Asili. First personal foul. A bonus through substitution ref. Bonus through awarded to the muscle man Toybits. At the score 8-14. Completed 3 points. Muscle man. Corazon 9, 14. Lansoy to number 8. Only to a play, Biloera. Hasta Casili. 10 seconds to shoot. Looking for the 7th Casili. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Rebound. Maselman to number 10, Angay. Using the glass, 2 points, Angay. 14-11. Number 24, Lansoy. Ras by Adalid. Asdo Casili. Number 3, Niaga Lopez. Number 5. Recovery by Niaga. Wala. Rebound. Liera. Number 29 to number 10. Asa sa gilid, baik di boy. Wala. Rebound. Casili. Lansoy, number 24. To number 8 to number 14. 2 points. Abinigo. 2 minutes, 45. Dudong. The lead. Dribble, top of the key. Power rebound kanino. Juaninyaga. Abinido. Lansoy number 24 to number 14. Attack Abinido. There's a whistle. Foul number 19. Locking foul. Substitution ref. First personal foul Akamusa. Second team foul My Homes. 11 16. Number 8. Number 3. And another rebound. Angay. Akamusa. Bertie boy. Wow. Lace up. Umawas. Tracy 16. 2 minutes 9. Lansoy. Number 24. Guarding by Angay. Number 24. Bertie boy. 2 points. Bertie boy. 15, this is size. 1 point lead by EKG. 1 minute 47. Abinido, wow, using the glass. Abinido, number 14. 1 minute 36. Angay, Akamusa, Maselman. Asto Angay, number 76. Ato, Bertie boy. Short rebound. Atom shot clock down to 8 seconds to shoot. 8 second shot clock. Meaning time 1:24. 8 seconds to shoot. Inline inbound from a true inline. Adam Muscleman. Liera. Asto. Angay. 5 seconds to shoot. Amersa, reverse, wala. Recovery by Masilman, wala. A foul. Out ng rebound. Number 8. Arm contact. Biloera. First personal foul. Free throws awarded to Muscleman. Esto, wala. A second throw, repeat to rebound, 1 minute and 14. Rebound. Hasselbank, recovery. Number 29, attack. Oh, number 76, wala. Rebound. Recovery by number 76, Angay. Oh, 6 seconds to play. Hasselman, number 29. Rebound, Angay, up. There's a whistle. Foul jersey, number 5. Warning for penalty, EKG. A timeout, charge 2, RNR Boys, Mayong. Remaining time, 53 segundos. 15-18. Back to the ball game between RNR Boys against EKG. Red the boy. Ulbawas. Angay. Birthday boy, wala, rebound. Ilaw ta ng rebound. Hasselman, wow, reverse, kiko-off. 43 segundos. Lansoy. Dominic. Acto Lansoy, number 24. 34. Achel, bang, bang, bang. Victory. 26 segundos. Style by Nyaga. Number 5, 20 seconds. Ilag po. Iloela to Nyaga. At kasamang basket. Foul committed by number 26. Legal use of hand, Angay. Bonus through. Awarded to Nyaga. 13.7 seconds. 13.7. City 23. A 24, City 13.7. At the ball, zigzag. There's a whistle. A foul jersey number 7. Lacking foul, penalty ref. First personal foul, Gentle Giant by Nusa. 9.3 seconds, 9.3. Erso Akamusa, wala. A second draw from the 15-volt line, Akamusa. A buzzer beater. Yabariba, Gentle Giant. 5 seconds to play. Lansoy, wala. 2. Beat the buzzer. Basket. Kita kayo. O 19, 24.
Ay, kung ano to ni one day my favorite. Ito ning kani. Sa naman kaya.
Nag-connect mo wifi. Asa ato Japon. Ah.
The score 19, 24. For the second quarter, ball position goes to RNR Boys, My Homes. Silent inbound, number 76, Amay. Nino Bandoles, number 23. Oyster, Aquaman. Wow! The boys Aquaman. Castañeda, there's a whistle foul. Number 20. Locking foul, Ribadomia. First personal foul, Ribadomia. First team foul, EKG. Amay. Nino, Russellman. Nino, to Amay, number 76. Still. Kill, number 11. At Istoy, after sila po. Power rebound, Aquaman, 2 points, Aquaman. Isaldani. Kapugig sa patos. Angay. Aselman. Pasa to Iceman. Wow! Wala! Aselman, wala! At Constanilla. Layabo rebound by Nosa. Stoy. Number 2. Slowly dribble. Stoy. Number 7. Nosa Ribadomia. Ikasama basket of foul jersey number 15. Pushing foul. Ilainan first personal foul. A bonus through. Ribadomia. Isinwibi, 30. Eba, Silainan. Angay. Number 76, Constanilla. Akto Angay. Number 76, Aras Bachel. 10 seconds to shoot. There's a whistle. Foul number 20. Pushing foul. Second personal foul, Ribadomia. Second team foul. EKG, second team foul. Substitution ref. 8:27 oras, 19:30, Angay ko. Nice man. Stand by Istoy. Number 2, wow. Istoy. 92, 19. Bandoles. Angay. 76. Inubula. Ato, Glabador, Di Loera. There's a whistle. Foul. Number 24. I'm out. Charge to RNR Boys, My Homes. 19:32. Oras na to. 7 minutes and 59.
Sige ka po mo. Kadulaan na yun.
Lalo mo siya, ana na wala ka pagdulaan sa mo.
Kadulaan mo.
Back to the game. Remaining time 7 minutes and 59. Score na to 19:32.
Disconnected.
2 free throws awarded to Isagani, the Aquaman Grabador. Pressure, basket. Lesipiat. 19:33, second draw. The Aquaman. A 2-4-2 from the 15-point line. Isagani. Adalida. Number 6. Aselman. Suga sa motor. 7 minutes 48.
Pamuka, oy.
Till to Istoy. Number 2 back to Silagpo. After Istoy. Dribble. Number 2. Botiki ang inabot. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala si Plap. Aquaman. 36-19. Dodong.
Bagong sapa.
Aselman. After Dodong, number 6. Astom Aselman. 10 seconds to shoot. There's a whistle. Foul number 11. Substitution ref. Akamusa, inline inbound. Iceman, ball, rebound, Aquaman. Number 30 to number 2, using the glass, 2 points, is Toy.
Disconnected.
There's a whistle, foul. Number 7, blocking foul. Substitution ref.
Bakit?
Orso, wala. Six minutes, 57. Basket. Skor na to, 20-38. 20-38. Estoy. Labrador. De Loera, GP. Estoy, number 2, looking for the student. 8 seconds to shoot. Aquaman, in and out, rebound. Alpats. Still by Estoy. Gentle Giant by Nosa. It's a troubling violation. Substitution ref. Running time 6 minutes 30. Adalid. Number 19, Akamusa, Dodong, wala lumusod, wala Alpats, wala Dapon. Rebound. Adalid. Alpats, hawan kayo, lisap. 2 points, Alpats. Number 1. 92, 38, Istoy. Number 2, Bosking. Number 1.
Na.
Substitution ref.
Naway sa kailangan sa'yo.
5 minutes, 59.
It's okay.
Bosking.
Not to be okay.
JP 2 points. Willow Era. 40, 22. Dodong to at Kamusa back to Dodong. Number 6. Ito number 19 at Kamusa back to Dodong. 10 seconds na shot. Elysium. There's a whistle. Foul number 24. Holding foul Lansoy. First personal foul Lansoy. Winning for penalty EKG. 5 minutes 38. Adalin. Boy, wala. Number 1, wala. Kamusa. Wala Japon. Alpats. 5 minutes, 26. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds, shot clock ang nabiling. Oras 5:26. Inbound Kamusa. Adalid.
Ay! 6.
Kamusa. Lansoy. Lansoy to Casile. Recovery by Casile. Lays up 2 points. Casile. Alpats. Japon. Alpats again. There's a whistle, foul jersey number 24, Lansoy. Second personal foul, Lansoy. 4:58. Ayong gabi dia the atomic bomb. Abrasaldo. A second draw. Ayong gabi Reeves from Batang Kabiloy. Basket. 93, 42. Asili. Number 3, slowly dribble. Only for a play. 10 seconds to shot. Is still by Adalid. Number 6. Lays up. Wow, 2 points. Adalid. Number 30. Number 24. Lansoy. Antonio Billo Era. Black. Substitution ref. Oras 4:25. 13 seconds to shoot. Ilanin ba from a throw inline Bosking. Duran. Asili. Akuha ni Lansoy. Angay. Kamusa. Number 19 Kamusa. There's a whistle. A foul. Wearing jersey number 30. Arm contact Bosking. First personal foul Bosking. Akarasa. 4 minutes 10. Offensive foul number 3. Substitution. A second personal foul. Asili. 3 minutes 55. Ada lead, attack, lace up, 2 points. Ada lead, walang takot. 28-42. Lansoy, number 24. Ating ako ay still. Number 6, ada lead, lace up, 2 points. Time out. Cards 2. EKG. Atau skor 30-42. Back to the ball between R&R boys, My Homes against EKG. Erwin Taringkin Pisaw Team. Ang Barangay Cambuelaw. Point lead by EKG. Tasili, Tundon. Ilan inbound. Abinido. Dominic. Number 3, Kasili, lumusot. Attack. Using the last 2 points, number 3, Kasili. Adeline. Angay. Eban, Alpats. Number 1. Lariban, Kasili. To number 8, to number 5, to number 14, 2 points. Abinido. 46-30. Adali number 6. So Aka Musa. Rebound by Nusa. Niaga. Number 5, Niaga. Coast to coast, 2 points. Niaga. 48-30. Ready boy. Umawas. There's a whistle. Foul. Number 14, pushing foul, Abinido. Inalteref. Substitution. Second personal foul, Abinido. Oras 2:36. Of free throws awarded to Bertie Boy Humawas. First throw, basket. 31-48. Second throw. Bertie Boy. 2 for 2 from the 15-point line. Bertie Boy Humawas. 32-48. Niaga. Odilo Era, Kasili, number 3, Oliver placed in by Niaga, and she casts the shot, bang, bang, bang for 3, Odilo Era, 2 minutes and 11, Angay, so Angay, Padre Sando, Angay, bumitaw ng 3, number 76, 2 minutes, 35-51. Kasili, adding by Constantina. There, Oil, one in number 8, Belo Era. 1 minute 41. Kasili, number 3, Omatake, to number 8. Niaga, number 5, Kingsley casts the shot. Number 7, wala, rebound, Muscleman. There's a whistle, foul. Number 7. Substitution ref, penalty ref. second personal foul by Nosa. Winning time 1 minute and 28 seconds. 51.
Seven man daw.
Ang first serve, Muscleman, wala. No basket. Ang second draw. Ang the 54 line, ang the Muscleman. Itoy. Ang basket. 96, 51. Niaga. Lomosot, doble derecho. Raise up 2 points. Niaga. Angay number 76 to Nino. Rebound. Niaga. Iloera. Number 3. Still agaw. Ano na? Edisa to.
Ay!
Still Japon. Kikas to play. There's a whistle. Foul number. Number 23, arm contact, Bandoles. segundos, 2 free throws awarded to Asili. Erso, wala.
Dili pwede panangit sa lidi. Panangit lidi.
Second throw, Tunton. Basket. 54, 96, 50 segundos. Angay. Rebound. Itoy, the Muscleman. 30 segundos. Asili. Number 3, guarding by Bandoles. 30 segundos. Iloera. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8, slain by Niaga. Iloera, wala. Rebound. 17 segundos. Allah. Turnover by 76. 12 seconds. 12 seconds. Abinido. Niaga. 10 seconds. Number 5. Abinido 5 seconds. 14. Dasili. And for the first half, baliw na mo araw, baliw na araw. Luspod. Daily player. Okay, half court shootout. Ang premyo. Usa Kalibo. Brought to you by hello. Oscalibo Saraki. Brought to you by AEG. Ang honor, Mr. Erwin and Karen Dipisaw. Ang Lucky Half-Court, Osay Kalibo. Ang Bayi, sunod, ari sa 3 points. 15 na katao, 15. Daily player ha, daily player. 15 na.
Kotoms wala na. Sa yap. Sa 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122 14. This is brought to you by Balikbayan, Erwin, and Ma'am Karen Gimpisaw. The team owner of EKJ, sige, for 1,000. Pauli na, walay balik. Walay balik ha? Sige. Duha. Ikatulo. Hapit ang usa ka libo. Hoy, walay gasolina. Ani. Hoy. Ani. Ay, unay mo ni. Ay. Wala gyapon. Brought to you by Mr. Erwin and Ma'am Karen Gimpisaw. The EKG team owner. Yang atong Balikbayan. Uy! Wala pa. Nataginting na usa ka libo. Uy! Tarunga pero makaabot. Oh, Diyos. Wala. Walay suga. Naigo na ito ang suga di asta-asa. Agay! Hapit dyan. Hele. Oy. Ay, clear mo na yun. Agay! Ini. Stepping ka mon. Ay, wala. Uy, way siguro. Usa ka libo. Asal mo. Ato masalamatan ang atuang busing. Boss, kamaliog. Ma'am Karen. Picture ato ni Ma'am Karen. Bayi. Bayi na po, bayi. Bayi. 3 points. Sa press. Apel ang atong sketcher woman. Apel ang atong sketcher woman. Sige na. Usa. Duha. Dali kay mamalani singot ang mga player. Sa 3-point area na, Chris. Ari na sa Chris. Lalapay usa. Ari na kali. Usa. Kisa mo lang nga niya. Kisa ka lang mo isa. Dua. Tulo. Kanila niya. Uno. Uy. Gini. Agay. Teresa ko sampai. Teresa, balik ko na iya. Balik ka rin sa mulay. Balik ka rin. Jadi. Balotong kayo. Ato dai, ato. Picture baliw ko. ihatag. Magdagan salamat kayo sa ato ang sponsor sa Ciudad. Mr. Erwin and Ma'am Karen Dipiso from Team AKG.
Pinapintat pa kami. Pinapintat pa.
Nakadito ka dapat ni.
Okay, alternating arrow goes to EKG. Score, change score, change score.
Ha? Basta kong bag.
Estoy. Akar to Silagpo. Abachachi. Style by Alpats. Dodong Adalid lays up. Wala. Rebound. Silagpo. Abiluera to Estoy. Silagpo. Rebound. Akamusa. Dodong Adalid. Red Dipoy. Mawas. Enabula. One is Stoice, number 30. Abiluera, Jiffy.
Ay.
Rebound. Osman Bey. Adalid is up. 2 points. Adalid. 50 is shooting. Stoy number 2. Asa sa gilid number 30. Acamento number 28. Using the glass. 2 points. Abiluera. Iceman. Ready boy. Mid-range shot. 8:42. Atong oras 8:42. Lenin ball, Dodong. Ready boy. 10 seconds to shoot. Akamusa. Held by Jiffy. Raise up. 2 points. Abiluera. 28. Dodong to Dodong. Akamusa. Lewis. The same ball. Remaining time 8 minutes and 17. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds na shot clock. Sideline ball. Lewis to Dodong Adalid. Number 6. Lagi Silagpo. 10 seconds to shoot. Ready ball. Wide open. Power rebound. Number 19. Wala. Pass. There's a whistle. A foul jersey and number 2. Holding foul. Estoy. First personal foul is Estoy. First team foul AKG. The free throws awarded at 2. Alpats. Wala. First throw. Remaining time 8 minutes and 4. Basket. 40-1, 60-1. Story number 2 to number 28, Jiffy. It's a troubling violation, Abiluera. Substitution ref. Alaniwan Lewis. And the lead, Bertie Boy. Mawas. Still by number 13. Akar. Rebound. Mosking. 1 to number 11. Seven minutes 34. 7 minutes 34. Lewis to Dodong. Iceman, number 15. Lariban. Aquaman to Silagpo. Skoy, number 2. Osking, number 1. Bang, bang, bang for Turi Durana. 64-41. Still by Istoy. Number 11 lays up 2 points. Number 11. Timeout, charge the 2. RNR Boys, my home. 15 minutes free ago, score 41-66. Remaining time 7 minutes 3 seconds. 41-66. Padong to Lewis. Back to Dudong. The boy to Alpats. 2 points, Alpats. Number 1. Stoy. Number 2. Stoy to sa gilid. Duran. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2 is Stoy. 5 seconds to shoot. 24 seconds violation. 6 minutes and 27, 43-66. Dodong, Lewis, Kamusa, back to Dodong. Alpats, number 1. Still by Stoy. Number 2 to number 11, Silagpo, Awan Kayol is up. 2 points, number 11. 6 minutes fight. At Kamusa, number 19. 2 points. Wow, nice assist. 45-68. Aquaman. Number 23, looking for the Senate, is Stoy, number 2. Duran, Lariban Dodong. Juan Agon is Stoy. Number 11. Isagani, 2 points. Isagani. Number 23. Technical foul for a sportsman-like behavior. Isagani. Five minutes 30. Constitution ref. 45-70. Ang gabi dia tagyas kalibutan. Iya.
May Paolo.
Ano to?
Technical throw awarded to the Iceman.
Reklamo sa ba niya?
Na-shoot na gani.
Ang phone dito ka nasangit mo dito.
45-70. Red Duval. Luis. Red Duval. So number 6 at the lead. Rivadonia. Rivadonia to Diaga. Number 5. Juan Alpats. Red Duval. 2 points, number 7, Birthday Boy. 4 minutes, 53. Rivadonia to Duran. Agar.
Ay.
Alpats. Eddie Boy to Alpats. Using the window. 2 points. Alpats. 51 si Tinta. Bang. 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 Number 20. Kuchuri. Allah. Ronnie Duran. Duran. Number Luis to Iceman. Alpats. Number 1. Limbaga. Number 6. Adalin. Still by Riba Jovia. Number 20. Ula. Substitution. Riz 57 at oras. Rebound, Muscle Man. 2 points, Muscle Man. 73. Silagpo. Number 11. Oras na to, 3 minutes 31. Time out, a charge to AKG. Oras na to, 3 minutes and 31. 53. Dodong. Becky Boy, the Dodong is up. Wala gapon. Niaga. 3 minutes. Strong, turnover, Lansoy. Apo kayo mga sapatos, oh. Substitution. 58. Angay. Let the boy. Ula, rebound, Niaga. Lansoy. Pull away, Ula, rebound by Angay. 76 to Father and Son do. Angay to Angay. Black ang inabot. Hasselman, black na black. 10 seconds na shot. Hasselman, intercepted. Lansoy. Wow. 2 points, Lansoy. 2 minutes and 15. Lesion. Eddie Boy. Rebound by Niaga. Niaga to Lansoy, number 24, guarding by Angay. Lansoy to Kasili. Bang! 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 Kasili. 53, 78. Hasselman. Asto Angay, number 76. On number 10, Black Napun. Black Party. Substitution red at the shot clock down to 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds shot clock. Costanilla. Rebound by Niaga. Castillo. Iloera. Aynosa. Lansoy. Vandolis. Number 10. 2 points, number 10. 1 minute and 13. Niaga. Lansoy. Nagmamadali. There's the ball. Selman's Victor. There's a whistle. Foul. Number 8. Rushing foul. The second personal foul, Bilo Era. Third team foul, AKG. 1 minute 3. Andoles to Angay. Seconds to play. 17.9. Recovery by Bandoles. Constaniela. Wala. 49 seconds. 49. Ovilera. Now by Masalman. Itoy. Angay to number 23. Angay stays the ball. 32 segundos. Iloera to Casili. Wala. 24 segundos. 10 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. 20.6 seconds. And line inbound. Iloera, 11 seconds to shoot. Wapuas pasas ha. 15 segundos. Isiyon, Werner Bais. 10 seconds. 5. Yossi Gawito. And for the third quarter score, 57-80.
The girl them skill out it. Thunderball, some give it up, some give it up, some give it up to our girls. 5 million and 40 nasty shorty. Baby girl, I'm a girl, I'm a girl. Thunderball say, well, I'm on the way the time. All I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. To the girl them broke up on the floor. Come you don't wanna work this performer. Come you don't wanna man where can't turn you on. Girl make I see you when them upon you. Can't stand for the long nah. Eat no yam, no steam fish, no green banana. But down in Jamaica we give it to you hot like a sauna. Well, I'm on the way the time cool. I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temp.
Last and final quarter ball position goes to RNR Voice. Mayom's ball position. Here Abba. Luis. Asman. Selman to Alpats. 59, 80. Stoy. Bertu. Asa sa gilid. Badomia. Doran. 10 up. 3 seconds violation. $59.80. Kamusta to Masalman? Yeah. Rebound, recovery by Musselman. Lewis. Rebound, Ribadomia. Stoy.
Ay!
Still by Musselman. Alpats. There's a whistle. A foul number 2. Pushing foul is Toy. Second personal foul is Toy. First team foul EKG. Of free throws awarded to Alpats. Verso wala. A basket as 60-80. Toy number 2. Abinido. Aquaman back to Abinido. Number 14. La, rebound by Ribadomia. La, Stoy. Again. Rebound by Musselman. Aba. At kasama basket. Foul. Basketball jersey number 1. Duran. First personal foul, Duran. Second team foul, EKG. Rebound by Alpats. Wow! Nadagintay. Kasama basket. Foul, basketball jersey number 20, Ribadomia. Third personal foul, Ribadomia. Substitution ref. Third team foul, EKG. 8 minutes and 25. Bonus throw, Alpats. Substitution rep. Complete 3 points. Corridor 65-80. Duran. Stoy. 1 and 2 combination. Asa sa gilid. Ball. Asile. Abinido. Stoy. Koila jabo rebound. Asile. Number 3. Aynosa. Wala. Musselman. Tuwa ni Stoy. Raspay Luisto. Aynosa. Wala jabo rebound. Musselman. Uy, pasa. At 2 points. Abinido. Alpats. 2 points. Alpats. 67-82. Stoy number 2. Abinido. Basta sa gilid. Kasile. Attack. Using the glass. 2 points. Kasile. Alpats. Bang! 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 2-2. 84. Stoy. Stoy Todoran bumawi. Rebound. Luis. Stoy number 29. Musselman. Iceman. There's a whistle foul. Number 2, holding foul. Substitution ref. Third personal foul is Toy. Warning for penalty, EKG. Warning for penalty, EKG. 84. Pinlanimba from throw in line, former vice selection, Lyceum Angay. Always, Eban Casile, a foul. Number 7, Air Aba. First personal foul, Aba. First team foul, RNR Boys. Lansoy, Abinido. Lansoy, Baynosa, Ara, Baynosa, 2 points. Halop ra ang bola. 6 minutes 20. Muscleman, 2 points, Muscleman. 82-86. Dominic, Baynosa up. That's a traveling violation. 6 minutes and 6 seconds. Substitution left. Substitution. The 22-86. Lewis calling for a play. Iceman, Ara Erada. There's a whistle foul. Number 24. Only foul, Lansoy. Third personal foul, tulo na imong foul boss, Lansoy. Basket. Masih 33. 86. 84. 86. Lansoy, number 24. Asilito, Nyaga, wala, rebound, Aba. Lewis at Kamusa. Iceman to Lewis, wala. Angay, Namersa, Chobos, Angay. Ilo na naman niya. Ito, Abinido. Nyaga number 5, Namersa. There's a whistle. Foul. Number 15, locking foul. I'm out, AKG. But you know we start to get your empress out. And if it's out of me, if it's out, I got the remedy for make you this out. Me have a plan to become a goddess out. A girl, if you want it, you have to confess out. And a life of a need set speed up, it's estimate us out. Well, I'm on the way this time. All I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I love it, papa, you can be the mom. Okay pulo na laman dia. 40-71 niya. Pulo na laman. 5 minutes 19. Number 3. Number 8. And another rebound. Yaga. Block. Whistles blue foul. Number 10. Arm contact. Angay. First personal foul. Angay. Third team foul. RNR Boys. Wala. 5 minutes and 11. Basket. 87-76. Luis Acamusa, passer beater. Iceman. Dodong. Dodong by Musa. Aniaga. Abinido. There's a whistle, foul, jersey number 19. Blocking foul, second personal foul, Acamusa. Running for penalty, RNR boys, my homes. 4:52. First row basket. 76-88. A second row, Abinido. Rebound by Iceman. Acamusa. Iceman to Acamusa, Muscleman. Odong. Odong. There's a whistle. Foul jersey. Number 8. Penalty ref. Substitution ref. Thrower. 4 minutes and 36. Third personal foul, Dominic Tulo. 27-88. Substitution. 78-88. 4 minutes 36. Both teams are in the penalty situation. Abinido. Number 14. Heading by air, Ava. At Bilo Era. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8 Bilo Era. 5 seconds to shoot. Casile. Lariban, Niaga. 4 points. Mid-range, number 5, Niaga. Luis Acamusa, 6 ang iwan ng bantay. Lamias pagkapasa ay kasamang basket. Foul. Number 7. Substitution ref. Third personal foul by Musa. Rebound Casile up. Double foul. Number 5 from Ikiji and number 29 from RNR Voice. A second personal foul, Niaga. Muscleman, first personal foul. 80-90. Both teams are in the penalty situation. Lansoy. Lansoy to Niaga, number 5, number 2 around. Short rebound, Dodong. Odong adalin to Luis. Step back. Yeah, Raimusa. Lansoy. Casile, 2 points. Casile. Dodong. 2 points, Dodong. 82-92. Number 3. Casile, slowly dribble. A dribble, Casile, calling for a play. Number 3, 10 seconds to shoot. Casile, 5 seconds to shoot. Passing the glass, 2 points, Casile. Odom. Wala, rebound, Abinido. Abinido to Lansoy. 2 minutes, 45. Iwan ang bantay, awan tayo. Nagato Casile. Rebound, Musselman. Oras na to, 2 minutes, 32. Turnover by Musselman. Liaga number 5, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5, stay by Angay. Number 10, to number 1, may asin pa. 84, 94. Lansoy. Last 2 minutes. Ay nosa to Lansoy. Abinido, 10 seconds to shoot. Abinido, wala. Oh. Akamusa, 2 points. Akamusa. 86, 94. Lumalaman na. Niaga. Number 5. There's a whistle for number penalty ref. 1 minute and 34. Skip 95-86. Sikadro, Niaga. (86-96). 1 minute 33. iPads. One minute 29. Remaining time 1 minute 29. A timeout charge to R&R Boys, my home.
Time to make baby now to stop ball like you are getting shady, yo. Woman, don't play me now, cause I'm a fits and fat, not greedy, yo. My loving is the way to go, my loving is the way to go. Well, woman, the way the time cool, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. When you roll with a brother like me, with a brother like me, girl, I mean no other. No need to talk it right here, just pop it right here, keep it on the road.
Remaining time 1 minute and 29 seconds. 19 seconds to shoot. Ilanin ba from a through inline Alpats number 1. Musa. Ulara. Remaining time 1 minute and 21. Musa. 1 minute 13. Lansoy. Dominic. Akto Lansoy. The red sequence the blue. Ball decoy. 50 segundos. At tutuskuan punong 48 segundos. 48.4 seconds. Abinido. Niaga. 2 points. Niaga. 35 seconds. Number 6, the lead. Erdo. Elysium. Alpats. There's a whistle foul committed by number 24. On contact. Warning. Lansoy. 23 seconds to play. Also by Alpats basket. 87-98. A second throw. A 2-for-2. Alpats number 1. 88-98. 20 seconds. La 12 segundos. Regis. 5 seconds. Congratulations, AKG.
Come in, boy, you're putting on your blouse and you're putting on your knees. I'm a wild discover. Everything about you, baby girl, can you hear when me attack? Well, woman, the way that